Okay, this is about editing and proofreading. It's very important to edit and proofread your written work. This is why there are a number of things that you have to or should consider when you proofread and edit. Make sure your sentence makes sense. How can you make that? If it makes sense, the sentence flow, using of the tenses and grammar correctly. Syntax should be easy and follow to follow and understand. Use correct grammar, use correct flow and well-formed sentences. If you have long rambling sentences, consider break them into short sentences. Eliminate any words that lessen the impact. So if there are any words that lessen the impact of what you're saying or writing, you have to be careful about writing in the same way that you speak. Don't write the same way that you speak. Okay? This may lead you to include unnecessary words that not add meaning to or value. For example, I actually think this is speaking. There's no need for word actually in this phrase. Hold your reader's attention. It is very important to hold your reader's attention, close attention, and that may impact how they read the rest of your work. Remove any terms or phrases that convey an unintended meaning. Make sure that you are using the words which convey the intended meaning. Okay? Use thesaurus. What does that mean? Dictionary. Using the same word repeatedly, you should consider looking for alternative words, using thesaurus, using dictionary, different words, and so on. Make sure your voice comes through. This is very important in academic writing. Writing make sure that you are adding your own opinions about what you are writing or saying. Beside the sources that you are using, add your own. Do not only depend mainly on the information and opinions from other sources. Your voice should make clear your opinion or position on the topic being discussed or argued. Eliminate cliches. Any phrase that you have heard and read too many times should be avoided. Okay? For example, needless to say vicious circle rather than you use something different. So don't use very common phrases that is being used in such situation. Try to change them from time to time using your own metaphors or phrases. Double check. Make sure that what you are writing is where some facts you are not sure about. If you are not sure about some words or some facts, edit and prove them. Use technology. For sure, use to check the spelling, the punctuation, and everything. That very important to use technology for proofreading and so on. So these are what you have to do when you proofread and edit. Okay. There are some errors that you have to look at when you are proofreading. Check words that are spelled incorrectly. The spelling, verb tenses, and grammar forms. Grammar that is incorrect. Check punctuation marks that are incorrect. Typos, printing mistakes. You have to extra space that sometimes that you may overspace what you are writing. These are some of these mistakes that you have to check when you proofread your written work.